right, Hill Climb 2 racing fans. We're here for running our 10 race red chest series. Gonna collect on this. Looks like I got a video to watch. Be right back. No video to watch. I don't know what that thing did. This thing is weird sometimes. All right, I guess we got that done. All right, so we're gonna grab our rally car here and see if we can win this 10 races quick tonight. Okay, first race under our belt. First win. All right. Just coming up a little short of the perfect start on that. I'm going to try just a hair earlier next time. Just keep the race clean, keep her running. See if we can pull out a win here. And there's number 2 win. A little sooner. Now. Yeah, there we go. Got a perfect start. Try not to get caught up in too much of the junk that's in this race. 90 meters to go. Hopefully we can get the win here. There we go. All right, 3 for 3 so far. All right. All right. Oh, the water race. Why not, right? Let's go do it. Hopefully the fact that we're in the bubble would get ahead of him, but how did he do so good without grabbing that tunnel? Okay, wow, we skinned out a win on that deal. That guy totally didn't deserve to lose to us on that. Okay, we get a good start here. All right, 2 for 2 on this one. These are 600-meter races, so you gotta really kind of stay on your game here. Not let these guys get to you here. Remember, we lost our roof to that thing. Luckily, we didn't end our season here. You gotta be careful. Okay, 3 for 3 on the water. Well, we're having a good night so far. Maybe. All right, so we got our 6 wins so far. We're gonna do some mountain bridges. Rally cars should be good at the mountain bridges. We just gotta see how good the other cars are here. Some dude on a motorcycle beats you in a place where you can bang the roof like that, then you know he's a heck of a good driver, that's for sure. All right, there's win number 7. The ability to crash the ceiling on this rally car is one of the things that makes it worth being a standby car, you know. Oh boy, I messed this up. There's going to be my first loss of the night, I think. Everybody's going to have to mess up pretty bad to get behind me now. All right. We ended up with a second out of that deal? All right. There's our first loss. That was a super driver error on my part, too. It's quite a technical course they've put together here for this. I don't know how you end up figuring out. All right. So we lost 2 of those. 7 so far. Bill's Circuit. All right. Okay, there's a win. Use some roof. You get a new car in the next race. The rotator's fast. Okay, there's another win. I think we only need 1 more. Am I remembering that right? Be nice to get it here. There's a perfect start. Okay, I believe that's number 10. Got a cup win, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got our 10 red chest wins. Did pretty good tonight. I think we only lost 2, so 10 out of 12 to get here. And let's check our team stats. I got 484 km with about 2 days to go. Haven't had a lot of chance to do much of this today. Looks like we're losing a little bit on our team challenge here, so hopefully some guys can get in there and bump up our win. But thanks for coming along. That was a pretty good run on the 10 wins there. So like and subscribe. I'd like to build my channel and need some subscribers. Hopefully you're going to be one of them. And we'll keep putting on the videos. I'm having fun doing it, so I hope you're enjoying watching them. We'll see you in the next one.